She said you're helping with social media and stuff.
Yeah.
You do mind me asking how old you are? No, you're not supposed to ask a lady.
I'm 24.
Okay. That's roughly, I was going to say 22, so that's roughly what I was going to say. But it's a good thing. So I don't ask that a negative thing. The reason I ask that is part of the reason I think I am good at the marketing, okay, is because even though I'm 43, I understand that different generations acquire the information on what they're how they search for products differently. Yeah. My daughter is near your age. She's 20. My oldest is 24. My daughter's 21. They don't do Facebook. You know, like my age group does Facebook a lot. That age group doesn't as much. They'll do TikTok or Snapchat. Yeah. So like, do you have any plans to help like other people that maybe wouldn't find the farmers market find it through some of those avenues? Or like, what's your plan on the social media?
Well, right now I'm working only on Facebook. We also have Instagram, but we're still waiting for that to connect with Instagram. But slowly we're gonna like make the farmers market grow in the social media, because on Facebook it's usually like, I don't want to be disrespectful, but it's just like other people.
The people that are your main clients. So you're not wrong.
Yeah.
You're not wrong.
Yeah, there's a lot of people of that, but also we would like to like welcome other ages, because there's only older people, but we can maybe accept more like teenagers or young people that they want to come and get something local. Yeah,
so I think you're right. I think, you target where your market is, most of your market, and I think Facebook is probably where most of your market is. Yeah. But I guess the point I was making, or advice I would give you, is if you want to branch out to a customer base that you're not accessing right now, you've got to cross platforms. I got flack in the beginning because of the way I was doing, even a podcast. Like when I decided to start this, a lot of lawyers thought, why would you do that? Because I don't make any money on the podcast. Like I have a couple of sponsors, but doesn't even really pay for the equipment like I do. We don't make money on it. I do it for several reasons, and the initial reason was it's marketing. So you lovely ladies are here talking about your business, but my logo's on that thing, right? So every time they watch this, it spreads the brand. It's a form of marketing. But similarly, I'm on TikTok. As a lot of people thought, why would a lawyer be on TikTok? Well, there's a younger generation on there, and it's also the fastest growing platform right now. The only one I'm not on is Snapchat, but I couldn't really figure out how. Now, they've changed it some. I might need to revisit it. But at the time, I couldn't figure out how to really use it for business. It was set up more for interpersonal, like more private communication with people, and for people maybe to do stuff they shouldn't do. And so anyway, I just didn't. I had one. I don't even have it logged in. But like Instagram, I think is still even better for younger folks. But yeah, I think if you wanted to get younger people, you got to do the TikTok, the Snapchat. You'd be great for it. Y'all can get over there and do the dances. And
yeah, I'm trying to like record some videos for TikTok, but still like, because also the vendors are like older people. They're kind of shy in front of the camera. They don't really want me to take a photo of them. So that's why I'm just recording the products that they
that's
have.
Cool. That's cool. Well, that's another thing to think about, though, on your vendor form, just legally. In all of my forms, for anything I do, I get people to sign a waiver of that I can use all that for marketing. So like in my martial arts school, they sign it's this disclaimer that covers everything. And if you have them as a vendor, you can have it in there. And when they've already really consented to allow just blanket video, and you have to interview them, It's funny you say that, though, because I was there was one lady in particular when I was when Budget Batman was there, and we were filming something, and she didn't want to be on the video. And I occasionally have that happen at the restaurant. But generally at the restaurant, they don't want pictures because they're there with somebody who's not their spouse, and they don't want that picture out. So there's a lot of stuff I can tell you. But